everybody, my name is April. Welcome to my channel. On my channel, I'm going to be doing different DIY projects around my home and affordable fashion hauls that won't break the bank. And you know what? What I do know is a budget and I stick to it. And much more on my channel. And if that's something you like, then keep on watching. In this video, which is my first video, I am a newbie. I'm a newbie to using a camera, editing, lighting, everything. You guys, this is literally my first everything. Even sanding, this furniture makeover. This is my first time, you guys. I purchased this piece from my local flea market for $25. This is my first time ever attempting to do an extreme furniture makeover. I had to take apart the vanity and do repair work all by myself. It was fun and I learned a lot along the way. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.
She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be her, although I try. She may seem perfect for you, but so am I. And I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that she'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me. I want like me. She makes you smile, she makes you laugh, she makes you happy in ways I never have. I try to hate you, find faults or crimes, but your only fault is that I'm no longer mine. And I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that she'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me. I want like me. If I hadn't pushed you out of my life, would you still be here? Oh yeah. If I told you I missed you, could we start over again? Me, I want like me, 'cause I know one will love you like me. She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be her, although I try. She may seem perfect for you, but so am I. And I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that she'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me. She makes you smile, she makes you laugh, she makes you happy in ways I never have. I try to hate you, find faults or crimes, but your only fault is that I'm no longer mine. And I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that she'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me. Cause I know